Ito yung maging statement ko in response to the new House Speaker Bojie Dy. I will immediately call for his resignation as he... okay naman siya. I will immediately call for his resignation since he is very close to Speaker Romualdez and to former Speaker Romualdez and to President Marcos. It comes to question whether or not his proposed 2026, his plan for the 2026 budget will be beneficial to the Filipino people or whether or not it will serve the interests of former Speaker Romualdez and President Marcos. Since when the flood control issue erupted, Speaker Bojie Dy, who was Deputy Speaker during the time, has been very silent about all the criticisms involving Romualdez and Saldico. So there's a very big possibility that he will also be involved that he's also involved in the issues involving the previous, not in the previous budget, but in the issues involving the protection of Saldico and Romualdez.
Should kung mag-resign siya, so kung
We will see. There's always a new chance for hope whenever a speaker resigns, especially one involved in so much corruption as Speaker Romualdez. Speaker Bojie Dy is not the hope that the Filipino people are looking for, and based on the public reactions as we can see, people do not trust Bojie Dy with the 2026 budget. People see mas na new Romualdez. Wala pa. Hopefully ako, pero pag hindi ako, Kong Toby Chanko is a good friend of mine and I believe he would be fit for the race since he's one of the first people to criticize Speaker Romualdez and his involvement with the